So in this video we're gonna focus on how to make email form. So the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna go in here and we're gonna copy and paste this. Then we're gonna say email. Then we can say change this to a placeholder and write in something like Sophia at example.com. And then we have this as required, and then you will notice that if we refresh the page or open up in a new window, you will notice that we need to enter something in this field, and we cannot just enter like this. It needs to have an add on it and needs to end on something. Okay, so that's also a good validation. So what else we can do is we can, for example, go in and say input type number, and then we can say value, or we can say actually minimum length is 5 and maximum length is 10. Then we need to, as a minimum, enter, if we just enter an actual email here, we need to actually enter minimum 5. We just need to remove the length. It's just minimum. Sorry about that. Okay. So now if we go in and refresh, okay, so it doesn't validate on that. Anyways, the point is just you can put in the minimum value. It's because it says minimum value there. Okay. Okay, good. Now it needs to be this, but if you put it up to, let's say for example, you can put it higher than 10, then you can submit it. Okay, great. So now that we have got an idea of how form elements works, we also want to look into, we also have the possibility to just create a bottom element. Now there is not really any difference here. So we can go in here and it would just look the same. So you can go in and do that as well if you want to. And you can go in and add other types of elements. It's completely up to you, whatever you feel like you want to add. But this is how you, for example, could build a contact form or a login form. Well, again, you wouldn't communicate with the database, but it's giving you an idea of how to put visuals together. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.